Hey campers, I hope you all had a great summer! This year we saw some exciting upgrades from previous year's models. And though we love all the trailers and their various features, we want to talk about the top 5 trailers that were favorites among our customers and that have the most bang for your buck. At number 5, we have the Grand River 22MB. The Grand River 22MB is a 22 feet trailer designed for couples or small families. It features a large queen bed, a convertible dinette, and a full bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. The kitchen features 2-burner stove range with a microwave and a large fridge with a separate freezer. It also features a power awning, Bluetooth indoor-outdoor speakers, air conditioning, and propane heat. Setting up this bunkhouse is simple and quick. Not to mention there's plenty of storage for clothes, food, blankets, and more. At number 4, we have the Pioneer BH270. The BH270 is ideal for small to medium-sized families. It features a convertible dinette and a convertible sleeper sofa. An ultimate kitchen with solid surface countertops and a large stainless steel sink with high-rise faucets. It has an 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator with chalkboard front and cable TV hookup with RG6 coax cabling. The bedroom features a queen bed, TV hookups, and electric outlets on both sides of the bed. And the bathroom features a power vent and a medicine cabinet with a built-in shelf. At number 3, we have the Grand River 25BH. The 25BH is designed for small families and couples. It is one of our most beginner-friendly RVs on the list. The kitchen has a 2-burner gas range stove, a full-size refrigerator, and a microwave. This 26-foot 11-inch lightweight bunkhouse offers an open-concept modern living space with a convertible dinette, queen-size bed, and double bunks. This trailer also features a large bathroom with all the necessary amenities. Moving on to our second place trailer, we have the Cruiser RV Embrace EL280. The EL280 is perfect for mid-sized families. It features a power awning with LED lights and an outside kitchen. Inside the EL280, we have a tri-fold sofa and a convertible dinette. The interior kitchen has a solid surface countertops with all new appliances, stainless steel single sink with a transportation cover and a high-rise faucet. The bedroom features a king bed slide system with ample storage space. Finally, yet importantly, the bunk room, featuring a double bunk, a small dinette that converts into a bed, and an upper bunk, offering a +9 sleeping capacity. Are you ready for number 1? Because we sure are! In first place, we have the Starcraft Autumn Ridge 26 BHS. You cannot go wrong with this one. Perfectly crafted for small families and couples. Inside, it features a convertible dinette and a jackknife sofa. The trailer also has double bunks for extra sleeping space. Moreover, this trailer is equipped with an MP3 player and indoor-outdoor speakers. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with a blackout shades and under-the-bed storage. The kitchen features solid surface countertops with a double bowl stainless steel sink and high-rise faucet. The kitchen has high-end appliances. A 6 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator and plenty of storage space. The bathroom features a standing shower, a medicine cabinet, and all the necessary amenities for you and your camping group to travel comfortably. The RV also features USB charging ports and power outlets throughout. It has a PVC roofing membrane, Magnum roof system, and enclosed exterior docking station to give you the confidence while on the road. It features an outside kitchen and an electric awning fitted with LED lights. Which is your favorite RV? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's all for now. Happy camping and see you next time!